Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a sick Asus, I believe it's a L510M, and apparently we're doing a battery swap on this today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get in it. Go ahead and get these screws here off of the bottom, get these here all taken out. Just a little number 0 Phillips, and holy shit guys, this one here still got all of its screws. Wow, can you believe it? That's the first one I've had in a while that had all of its screws in it. Typically we were, you know, at least missing one. So yeah, good old blue Loctite here. This one here may be a Voyaging. Might be the first time up in her. So let's get her opened up here. Pretty straightforward repair today guys. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Just make sure all of our screws here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh guys, I may be fucking up here. We got a shorty. Where did the shorty come out of? Where did the shorty come out of, guys? I might have to go back through the video and take a look here. Okay, looks like maybe the shorties out of the corners. No, because I've got 3 corners out and only 2 shorties. Help me out here guys, where's that short screws go? I need to start paying better attention. Alright, there's all of our screws out of the bottom here. See here, nothing under the sticker. No, don't feel like it. Alright, come on. Let me guys, words are hard. Let me know guys down there in the comments how you guys are liking this head mount camera, or if it's moving around too much on you. Just trying out something new here guys. Ain't nothing wrong with trying out something new. Tools. Maybe we can just use our fingers here. Get a fingernail under it maybe. Yeah, something's coming loose here. Our fingernail down here. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. We don't need no stinking tools. Just a fingernail. Come on. Keep it coming. You were doing good. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Pretty easy. There we go. Oh yeah. A little bit of dirt and grime, and not really liking this. Oh okay, that's just the dust from under here possibly. But boy, that sure looks like a lot like magic smoke there guys. Let's give her the old sniff test here. Nope, nothing smells burn up, huh? There's our battery here. We'll go ahead and get that disconnected here maybe. Oh, we can put a SSD in here. Well, if there's no SSD, The hell are they using for storage on this? Is it built on? I don't know. We're getting sidetracked. Ooh, what's that? Looks like it just... that's interesting. I'm hoping you guys can see here. I really can't see what I'm recording because, you know, the whole camera on the head thing makes it difficult. But yeah, here's our battery. We got our new replacement right here. Part number there if you guys are wanting it. Oh man, I hope this video is coming out alright. There we go. Nice off-brand replacement battery. Oh wow. They even gave us some more of these bullshit ass fucking tools. It's not even the right size Phillips driver. It looks like a double aught. Yeah, fucking junk shit. Well, it's free. You get what you pay for, so. Alright, go ahead and get this battery here popped out. And continue on with our repair. Not get sidetracked on foolishness here. Alright, might need to look into getting an SSD to put in here. Now let's see here, do they have this? How does this release? Oh, okay. Looks like this sure just, yep, pops back. You slide that back right there like that. They got it glued. Oh, just a really nice connector. Alright. Out with the old. We'll do some testing on this, make sure it's alright, and go from there. But let's just go ahead and pop this one in, see if it fixes our problem. Put that on there. Let's wait to plug it in until we get all our screws in. You know, trying to let the magic smoke out is not really in our agenda today. We can try for that tomorrow. Hoping my magic smoke comes in today. Then we can let magic smoke out. Come on. Wow. It's one of the simplest battery replacements I've done in a while. Good on it, Asus. Alright, we'll go ahead and get this battery, new battery here plugged in. Alright. Push our little latch back over. Make sure we're using metal tools. Do oh, there we go. Everything we can. Let this magic smoke out. Come on. Why you no go? Go home. Maybe? Yeah? Yeah, there we go. I don't know what this is for, but sure. Alright, give me a minute here. I'm gonna get this all blown out and cleaned up, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, we got this all cleaned out in there. Looking good. Boy, there is just nothing in here. Look at the size of this main board. It's just teeny tiny. Alright guys, we'll get this all popped on, get our screws screwed in. Yeah. Alright, Well, we knew, pretty sure all of these were long screws. Boy, I am starving to death. Getting to be about lunchtime, I feel. What sounds good for lunch today, guys? Might just have me a good old hot salami sandwich. Salami and cheese. Little pepper jack, little salami. Grill it up in the pan. Well, don't that sound good? Whoa, that was a good save. I don't know if you guys caught that or not. Cat-like reflexes for the win. So yeah, that's one of our shorties. I'll go ahead and get that put in. Well, this right here is about the easiest money I've made today. Little quick, what, 10, maybe 15 minutes. Little battery swap deal. Ooh, no, that's a shorty. This one goes here. Yeah, see how that only sits a little ways out? And put it over here. It sits way out. That's a short screw. Wonder if Asus is like Apple with their short screws. If you fuck up and put a long screw in a short hole, it just goes like, I don't know, I've seen some where they go straight into the motherboard, or you know, into stuff that, you know, will literally just completely destroy the product just of one simple mistake. Whoa, almost dropped her. Fuck. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's see here. We got a power LED. Got hair in my face. Yep. All right, there we go. We're booting. Wow, this screen's filthy. I'll get her cleaned up for the customer before we send her out. Don't worry. But so far, so good. I don't think I want to show the customer information, but yeah, looks like we got some charge in it, so I will plug this into the charger and see what happens. That's it, guys. A little quick simple video today. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe. If this idiot can do this shit, fuck, why can't you? Have a good one, guys. Be safe.